Mining district which has been terrorized by hostile Indians under command of a mysterious rider known as the Wolfman, the settlers have been incited to believe that Alan Scott, a stranger in the community, is the Wolfman. Alan is secretly investigating the murder of his brother, Lieutenant William Scott, who was killed because he had discovered the identity of the Wolfman. Meanwhile, Alan's young friend Jimmy Carter, whom he is accused of having put out of the way, is powerless to aid him. Alan's dog Rinty, known by the Indians as the Lightning Warrior, is trying to rescue Jimmy from his perilous situation.
Scott killed Jimmy Carter.
Yeah, he shoved him over the cliff. We caught him red-handed.
And when we jumped him, he had the boy's neckerchief in his hand and was trying to hide this letter that Hayden gave Jimmy to bring to me. I'll take care of the prisoner. If I find him guilty, the law will take its course. That's right. Sure it will. The law's all right, Sheriff. When its officers can be trusted. You all know the Sheriff. Sure. You know what he did with the prisoner that killed Jimmy's father. He let him get away. How do we know he won't let this prisoner get away? Hayden's right. The sheriff ain't fit to be trusted.
There's no evidence against this man.
How do you know?
Yeah.
Suppose you're searching. See if you can't find some evidence. Find out where it is. I want to tell you something, Sheriff. You've been out and down, something like this would happen.
So you are the Wolfman.
He's behind all these Indian attacks. He's warning. He's a Wolfman. We got to get him out. We get him out.
Get his key. You belong to the law. Not to that pack of wolves out there.
Well, we can't stand them off. But I'm not going to let you sacrifice your life to save mine.
Take him away. Get a rope. Get a rope.
I can't stop you all, but I've marked one man among you. One step more and he dies.
Don't let him bluff you, boys.
I mean every word of it. It's Jimmy Carter. And you were going to hang Scott for murdering him.
Oh, Mr. Scott, the Indians killed a messenger that we sent for the soldiers.
Boys, the Indians will kill the messenger we sent.
We'll be back not sure if the troops don't come. There still may be time if we can get the word through.
I want 3 men with no families who aren't afraid to die.
I'll go, Sheriff, but I got a family.
You don't know the trails well enough. Anyway, I need you here.
I'll go, Sheriff. Count me in, Sheriff.
Me too. I'll go with you. All right, boys.
Come on in. Very good, boys.
You go by the North Pass. You by the South. And you try to make it over the ridge. And remember, the lives of the whole district are riding with you. Good luck, boys. Another arrow.
Get up. So you're the fellow that's been shooting these warnings, eh?
Me not know anything about warning.
No? Well, we'll see about that. Come on.
We're surrounded. No messenger will ever get through for help. Death to all whites unless you get out.
I think he knows something about the arrow. He was hiding across the street. He tried to get away when he saw me coming.
I've known Indian George for a long while. I don't think he's mixed up in this. But just as a matter of form, I am hiding this message in Renty's collar because I know that my reports to headquarters have been intercepted by the Wolf Man. He told me so before he shot me and left me for dead. His name is...
He went to the right.
You must try to sleep, Jimmy. The excitement has been a big strain on you. You must be mad to come here this way, with a price on your head.
Not as crazy as you think. You see this paper? It gives me my freedom and the whip hand over my enemy.
What are you going to do?
You'll soon find out.
I don't know how they got away so fast. Did you read the name on the paper before it was snatched from you?
No, I was just coming to that.
Hey, that looks like the same kind of paper. I believe it is the paper we're after. Where's the other part?
The missing half, all right. Here's what it says. I am hiding this message in Renty's collar because I know my reports to headquarters have been intercepted by the Wolf Man. He told me so before he shot me and left me for dead. His name is Hayden, and he murdered me because I found out that he is the man behind the Indians' attack. Lieutenant Scott. Hayden? We might have known from the first that Hayden's the only man who could have profited by the whites being driven out of here.
How so?
He holds notes on every worthwhile mine and ranch in the district.
If the owners don't meet payments, he takes over the properties.
Oh, well, let's have a talk with Mr. Hayden.
Look! There he goes. We've got to catch Hayden before he gets to his Indians and brings them down to wipe us out.
Never mind telling me about Hayden. I know the posse is after him. Now is the time to strike and throw the blame on him. Get busy.
Right where you are. For heaven's sake, don't. Don't worry, my friend. I had no intention of shooting you. I want you to live as you are now, a fugitive, hunted right and left, as you made me 10 years ago.
But I'm not guilty. I didn't kill Carter. I'm not the man behind the Indian attack.
I know you're not, but you can't prove it. I put your name on that paper, and now they hunt you. They get you, they hang you. Are you like that, eh? Never mind me. He must not escape. Stop him! He's got Dion!